So I have no idea if this is going to be of any interest to you whatsoever, hence why I'm just going to pop this up on YouTube on one of my off days, so not a Monday, Wednesday or a Friday when I normally post. I have been obsessed with watching people's get ready with me's and also speed cleaning their houses. It is really inspirational to watch people just zoom through their housework. So I am going to spend 10 minutes and no more cleaning up my kitchen. Now it's Sunday morning, so what Sunday morning normally means is that there's stuff on the side from Saturday night, because we're not very good at tidying up after ourselves, and also things from Sunday morning breakfast. So there's a little bit of washing up to do, bin emptying and all sorts of things like that. So I'm going to see if I can get my kitchen nice and clean and tidy again within 10 minutes.
Game begin. When the drum beats go, play this.
So it's done, it's clean, it's tidy. What you do need to know is that I do have a cleaning lady who comes once a week. So I'm very fortunate that I don't need to deep clean my house, but this is just a bit of a spit spot 10-minute tidy up, which I'm sure all of us need on a regular basis. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. If you have absolutely no interest in this video whatsoever, you're also welcome to let me know. But do you know what? You always have the choice. You don't have to watch. I will see you again with regular content as always on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, and I thank you all very much for watching. See you again soon. Bye.